Hello people, welcome back to our channel Electronics Education. In previous video we have discussed what is electronics and the history of electronics. In today's video we will learn about electronics components. So at first, these are the content of our video. At first we will see definition of electronics components, then classification of electronics components. So what is electronics components? Electronics components are the physical device in an electronic circuit used to affect electrons and their associated field. Electronics components have a number of terminals. These terminals are used to connect other electrical components with wire to create an electric circuit for a particular function like amplifier, oscillator, etc. So now we will see the classification of electronics. So electronics components are classified into two subcategories: active component and passive component. Active component are those that can amplify an electrical signal to produce electric power. Passive component is an electrical component that does not generate power but dissipates, stores and releases it. Active components are classified into two subcategories: tube type and semiconductor type. The tube type device further divided into two categories: vacuum tube such as vacuum diode, vacuum triode, vacuum tetrode and vacuum pentode, and the gas tube such as gas diode and thyratron. The semiconductor device includes junction diode, bipolar junction diode, field effect transistor, unijunction transistor, silicon control rectifier, tunnel diode and Zener diode. Tube type device came in existence first, but they have been replaced by semiconductor devices because for their inherent advantages. Passive component includes resistor, inductor and capacitor. The passive components split into two categories: those which dissipate energy and those which store it. Inductor stores energy by virtue of a current passing through it. Capacitor which store energy by virtue of voltage existing across it. Resistor is only one of the three which dissipate electrical energy. So in this video we understood what is the definition and classification of electronics component. In the next video we will understand the resistor. I hope you understand this video. Please do remember to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us. Thank you so much for watching.